Invisible Double Eyelid Tape Lace Sticker Breathable Eye Tape. This product is not self-adhesive, which I prefer. I use the Koji eyelid glue to attach it, which makes it easier to reposition if necessary. I put the glue on the side of the tape that will be on the skin and leave enough tape at the outer end unglued so that I can hold it. Once the tape is in position, I tap it lightly with a plastic dental floss stick, then apply just a little glue to the end to secure it. Has no shine like regular tape. Makeup can go over it, although I find that powder eyeshadow is best and I don't use tons of eye makeup. Not completely invisible if I'm looking at it, but no one has noticed, not even after I've pointed it out. The amazing thing is that it has stayed on through Zumba, a shower, etc. I have to say that I do not have monolid eyes. I have a small crease that's becoming smaller because my lid is starting to become more hooded. I use this tape to fix that, which, in a way, might be harder to do because the original crease line will fight against the new crease line more, I think, than if you don't have a crease at all. 240 Pairs Invisible Charm Eye Magic Slim Eyelid Tape Beauty. You have my true and honest opinion, these were a little difficult finding where to place them. I have rather heavy eyelids. Once I learned where to place them, I found it took years off my look. I was very pleased with it. I was able to put some of my makeup over this, but not everything I like to wear. However, as heavy as my eyelids were, it was easy to conceal them taped to my eyelids. I would definitely recommend these to my friends. I've never had plastic surgery and I'm 52 years old. With these on my eyes, I can look at myself and feel there is nothing I would like to fix with my face. I have always sworn I would never have plastic surgery. However, my eyes were so heavy I began considering surgery. Then I came across these. I would much rather stick this tape on my eyelids than have them cut. I'll say this is taken 10 years off my eyes. Dolovemk 40 Pairs Temporary Eye Sticker Transfer Eyeshadow. I thought this was really cool. I have never used anything like this. The lines were easy to apply and stayed on for a few hours. Also, when I received my package, I got a few sample goodies which I thought was really nice. I Love Cushion Gel Eyeliner 9.5G. Feature soft creamy gel texture, provides clear looking eyeline. Waterproof, strong on sweat and water. Firm net material, easy to control amount of the content. How to use: draw gently using cushion gel liner brush from front to the end. Brand: Banalico. IN: 880937069301. Package dimensions: 6x6x6 cm, 0G. Prestige Cosmetics Call Eyeliner, E54 Chocolate by Prestige. My favorite eyeliner of all time. I thought it was no longer available, so I was really happy to find it on Amazon. Only negative is that I used to buy them for $2 at the drugstore, now they are $15. It's a great color and goes on very smooth and easy. Polytree 5 PCS Portable Retractable Lip Eyeliner Brush. I don't know why it took me looking back at the product picture to realize that you use the cover to hold the brush open. Anyway, it's a nice portable brush set. Great value for the price. And since there are several of them, I was comfortable cutting the bristles of one of them to make a wedge shape for a thinner eyeliner application. As is, though, it still provides a nice solid line that's easy to control. Sodial 144 Pairs Invisible Double Eyelid Eyeliner Stickers Paper. 144 Pairs Invisible Double Eyelid Eyeliner Stickers Paper Tape Strips Decals Eye Makeup Product Features: comfortable, breathable, and antibacterial type. Length and color: transparent color. Dimensions: approximate 2.50.2 cm. Fastening fork length: 5.5 cm package includes 144x pair double eyelid eyeliner stickers, 1x fastening fork. Note: light shooting and different displays may cause the color of the item in the picture a little different from the real thing. The measurement allowed error is 13 cm. Golden Rose Dream Eyes Eyeliner Set of 5, Set. Golden Rose Dream Eyes Eyeliner is a dream come true. The super soft and creamy eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly. It won't pull or tug the delicate skin around your eyes. Apply lightly for a subtle color or apply a couple of coats for a dramatic look. The eyeliner pencil is soft enough to blend into an eyeshadow. Creating a smoky eyes look has never been easier. Set includes 5 eyeliner pencils. These eye pencils do not have a retractable or twist mechanism to advance the point. You will need to use a pencil sharpener. By now to start creating high pigment and smoky eye looks.